Empire me chateria obi ntumi me. No kwasem ni. Hwan na de mpaebɔ asi hɔ. Na wabɔ mpae na waye nam na waye hia. Obonefo betumi de ne nsa aka no. Da bida. Tino otumi di Elia toto ye ho. Sɛ ne ono se bɔ mpae fa. Ɛma ewie mu dane. Ne nsuo ntɔ. Wosa bɔ mpae ma ewie mu san dane ma nsuo tɔ. Esenti ene agitum sɛ wobɔ mpae a ɛma wugya na wugya dɛre nso a obi ntumi. Evangelist Abraham Amoaten ne ena wotie. Ena wo sa hwɛ ni. Me na meda Right Way Family Church ano. Mpaebɔ fie. The land of great fire and abundance. Me de asempa ehwam. Asempa me de wada wana wabre. Asempa me de bɛka w'anim na me de yi waten. Asempa me ma wo hu wanam otutu. Na wo dada asetena brabo atumi akonkan. Asempa kroje emfremu ni mu a ɛde nkwaje bre nipa. Abia wuduru ɛsɛ sɛ wonante no. Wankotu amerika hum ankwa ankohwe ase. Abia ɛsɛ wuduru a utwam ntentem so wanko yi akyea ama wonan anka atechim. Awurade nhyia so wagebre na wo hwɛ me. Wadawlo ma de mesew ne sɛ uhwie a oni afoforo enche. Enkomo bi wo asɛm bi wo kitamodie bi wo a from 0545 so 415410 0240 186379 Ghana fa na nyina eni amanone ofra me a ebeba me wo Mampontin Korea Kwabri East constituency na Ashanti region Kumasi na oba Mampontin a oba behunu ye kira kwan paibɔ fi aha na me wo me no wo kwa kusua ade bia wadwene maaso. Now this is the time obema wadwene ababiribi so because it has a great lesson. The book of Esther very great and fascinating stories. But iminim sa wadwene akonnyo bi so a na no na Awurade ho nkonkono ebefam so atwe wadwene senyo bi so. Right from the beginning of the book of Esther, it introduces you a very big event. Now it has great and fascinating characters. We have, right from the beginning, we have King Ahasuerus, the king of Persia. We have Vashti, the queen of Persia, and the first wife to King Ahasuerus. Now, King Ahasuerus atopono kesia ya hwehwe se eniji ebekoso ama aponto no awie peye na edimu. Na ne wie peye no ni mudie no. Ena King Ahasuerus aton sa frɛ ohima Vashti. Sa onfara ho ofe emekere abran na hemache etinitere so. No minua ye no na Queen Vashti ya onu ne the native daughter of Persia. No the first wife of King Ahasuerus and queen as well. Goes all out to devise the orders of the king. Say ma me ye de ohene no eka no. Kire say ma me sa. Emma ohene no ponto no endi mu se de ohwe no. Eno na ma aginatuo kɔɔso. Na aginatuo ni mu ne ko wie se yentu nade so nyina hema ache. Ne mpamo. Ampani ampa. Omu twene ho wie no etu nade so yina hema ache pamo no. Me no besua de bi wo hansa na matoa so. As to the entire vast years is unknown. But why would a queen, at the defense of her crown and pride, refuses the orders of a king? One way or the other, the great lesson that I want to send to you right now is not to compromise or settle for less, irrespective of your position. In prepping, you know, yana eye den se nipa enam no so ema ye nya dibre bi no se wonam kwan bi so ema ye dibra ye wo no ye de atwetwe fom ama onu ni momu anim abanyamo a aya ye nwene ho ye taa kam eka ne pri se enam no sunti ma menye ne wo pe. But me hunu a great woman character of Vashti, because no reasons are stated. Ebika say now on per se, no any person could ben saw na dijem, but it is not stated in the scriptures. But the mimi person me catch you nipa say, onipa bi yese kraman ubehu se osi apaso a na you obi na de nesi wo. Sometimes etumi for obi so. Etumi for obi so na okonya dibre bi. And that person na enam so me na wonya dibre no. Opese obonwum bi ma wo sa. Opese o play tune bi for you to dance. And out of that, at the woo, what we are seeing when we are seeing neighbor, but the only page and any yam nebreno. All because I say, and I'm the so, and ibia unya said the brain. But you sure give me free Vashti, the way anymore. And my Vashti, a genasa or bar with nim what goes along with the crown, and that onfa kwan bia so en compromise onfa kwan bi so emo no echa ehye no yentoto nase ti wo kai ko ne wanimu a when the council of elders no take a decision na yetu na de so do pompon so na ohene Ahasuerus na wonu no se oma yetu Vashti ade so. And I am sending this to every lady out there, every woman of virtues, to be proactive, to live up to a task, to live up to your pride, to live up to that crown upon your head, to live up to your leadership. And do not settle for less or compromise. Do not allow people whom through them you got to that top to turn you to a puppet, for them to play a tune, for you to dance to that tune, which will later bring a disrespect to that very position you have. When you are this and you can say, "Come on, mapa." Ya omuntu mi nyina indifferent. Sometimes ebi won na ni kunu and the dunu pomponso bi. Ebi won ma na panyini bi and na nam so amasa oba na de dibre bi. But the cook to me ko wie pomponso a na sa panyini no anasa sa nipa no a enam ne so ma sa baba wa no ko nya sa dibre no. Wo pesa baba wa no na oba no ya ade bia. Dibre no a baba wa no wo no. Ade ani mguase na bebre sa baba wa no. Na sa wanya o de sa katechism no apekwan bi so ayi no afiri ade no so. Atu na afiri ba bia wo no. Vashti. This is the story right from the beginning of Esther. Ni book no. Me I introduce you na eka asem kesi bia ide. Achiro he no he na wabo. So obi a wabo obetuma di nkwase asem obedwem. Because the beauty of Vashti na enye easy. Na ohima Vashti na no ho fe pa. To one where our hene no adwaman kura betumi aba, and those kings that time no na sabi omo no omutumi ye ni omu pa bia e woni pam oma se obeka kire ne se obaso ne da wo bedwam na akofa nsem bibre e de aba. It Vashti, knowing said the king was drunk, defended her crown, defended her pride, though or losing, but at the aba come respect Vashti wo ho say Vashti did not compromise. Am I oma ye hwe di bra ye nya yi? Am I mumma bibi so aye penti yen dance to the tune, the wrong tune, the wrong rhythm, the wrong beat of the very men who want to help us. Emma, memane empo emma bi so ma na boa wo mu. Eso be wi akire no. Na ba bia wo mpeso mo de mo keka kono. Na na odin. To me nsua sa de we. Now, sa event no Queen Vashti edify am ye nature. And now a similar event is about to occur from chapter 5. Esther plot akoso se yebekum Esther ene nasefo nyina. Now Esther so ono so kwa ko defy ohene others, because ohene frɛ wa ye nkɔ ne nkyɛn. Ohene ma ye frɛ o se bra ye nkɔ ne nkyɛn, but Vashti de ne ya ton sa frɛ ne na wankɔ. Ena ye na hemache. But Esther de so ohene no frɛ no na ɔkɔ a yebeku no tina no odin esusu sese no so wankwa yebeku ne nkrofo okonso so a yebeku no na sese no ohima Esther na be replace Vashti de Vashti ya yetu no ohima Esther be ye de sen sampo a ano be ye din ama yeku no. But this comes with risking her life, risking her crown at the defense of her people. It's a command say, plot to kill Esther and her people. No, it's Esther to anamo. Na nanamu tu ohunu say, niesi pen no, ono no owonko asumu, ena adum bi adum no no abeye hema. Into ohunu say it is not by her own merit. It is not by her own strength. It is not by her own grace. But I adum bi ne free baby. It na esase or consulted that adum no. Now the countenance of that God who made her who she has become that time to fall upon her, so that a new bit might turn around. For 3 days, Esther went into fasting and prayers. Finally, she sets up on a course that she does not know what will be the outcome, but all that she trusted in was her God she had prayed to, her God that she had beseeched that time, asking for favor and the countenance of God upon her. Now, the wonder of it all is Esther kodru ohinenim. But the event is so fascinating that yatrep mana chere so ama Esther nya kwan ewurem. Tio. Now, the line I am about to draw is this. They odify the orders of a king not to dance. Yina hinche. Yina himache. They also define the orders of the king by entering into the chambers of the king without being called. When ya adumbi, ye nkono. Nemum, wompo a wabɔ ne ho pɔ so ombekono no, omumom na ɔhene sema ikun wo mu. Deɛ mepɛ sɛ mekyerɛ wo nyinaa ne sɛ, there are some decisions in life and there are some steps you need to take. Those steps out of the decisions that you have made, you cannot execute those steps and plans and decisions without the face of God going with you. And Krofobi Edin Senseme na senka omu acknowledge the face and the favor of God to lead them a kasabre nka position no mo hwe no komosakan. So compare omu mienu a to ono no amesa no yenku no na ena ho se beku no, but we no eda ho says ohire mfre no oba yebeku no. Nanso ono no a ne de no yebeku no otumi koi abra yenku no, nanso wona na abo ono ne ho po no mu ni kokun wo mu. My brother, my sister, life as it is, if you fail to acknowledge that the favor works and the face of God goes before his children to defend them all out, to bring the uncommon favors, if you fail to acknowledge these things, but I am here to inspire someone that at the defense of your people, at the defense of your destiny, at the defense of your dreams, at the defense of your visions. I mean, going all out to see, say, was sebre animu sadie abamu ama wonso ni je wi opeye no. Don't forget what Esther did. The uncommon favors are a finding Esther. Emma Esther enya ni tididi mu mana tamfo mum ewuye no. Se wen hunu sa onyankopon yi America na asama kire wo. Na wan konanim ambre wakoma ase. Ambre wo ho ase. Na wo de wo ho to wo degree so bebria. Enim guase beto. Wo de wo ho to abusua bia wo firi mu pia. Enim guase beto. Wo de wo ho to enyoma bia ususu se eno ne betumi agye wo a enim guase beto. Enkugo na obedi. But me catch the wenne. Say the favor of God works. The countenance of God works. Ewurade eja animu adom na ye adwuma. Ewurade nyankopon adom ye adwuma. Enti me se obi nkran say de nyoma mu aye dene. De nyoma aye bisi basa. De nyoma aye sunke bi amano no. De we hia eye Esther anamuntu. De we hia eye Esther anamuntu a edinu wie nkunimdie anatamfo di nchu. Enti Vasti makane niema pa ewo ni suban mu akere wo de. Nanso ye de sanye nkrupa yemi no toto ho hema Vasti ene hema Esther. The favor of God was upon Esther. So Esther went beyond that limitation line and was granted her head and was favored and pardoned. But because there was no favor, because there was no hand upon and no oil upon the head of Vasti, she loses her position, even though she was a native daughter of the land, which is the land of Persia. Even though she was the first wife of King Ahasuerus, the king of Persia, and a queen of Persia as well. Vasti was a queen. Being a native daughter of the land, she loses her crown because she did not have that uncommon favor. Because she did not have that uncommon favor. But I tell you today, if you will allow the uncommon favor to find you and lead you, and let the face of God go with you in your marriage, and let the face of God go with you in the search of work, and let the face of God go with you in search of job, and let the favor and the face of God go with you in search of education. And if you allow the favor and the face of God to go with you seeking for traveling mercies, I tell you today that the uncommon favors are a finding external will also find you and will grant you a higher position. Where it is uncommon favor right from the word go when it comes to Esther's position. So I am telling you today that please, please, and please, as a man of God and as a man of his word, I can only encourage you that seek the face of God in all that things on all that you do. But there are many people who did not seek the face of God in all the things that they did, and it did not end up well with them. Asumdua fahundi ama. Do omunya position no, do omunya aware no, omunya akonto no, omunya education no, omunya adwuma no de, omunya eba no de. But because the uncommon favors of God were not with them, because the face of God did not go with them, at the end of the day, their positions were stripped. They were stripped from their positions. But them are very, the distinction between Vasti and Esther. The only thing that separates them, Vasti defies the kings of the others. Esther defies the king's orders. But are they separate woman? Emma omumu mienu no. Baako ekipu ne crown. Eye the uncommon favors. Eye uncommon favor. Edi baako enim. Eye the face of God. Edi baako enim. Eye radia donwa ne da baako so. So I am begging you. I am pleading with you to seek the face of God in all that you do. And he will grant you that favor you need. You see, favor takes you beyond your imagination. Favor grants you the uncommon places that you do not deserve to be there. The uncommon positions, favor will only take you there. There won't na nwene ye. There was susu never borrow no. E yawrade ani mu adom. Ene de obedru sampopon so no. Nti de obeso ye biribi na wo ye mani di mu no. Ni enani da so kura asa no. De meka che ne se onhwehwe awrade ani mu tie. Onhwehwe awrade ani mu adom. Now I tell you, things will be fine. I tell you, you will keep your crown. I tell you, that position you will continue to hold. You will never lose the position. If you are now me, if you are now tie me, we are office adwuma bi. If you are me, if you are tie me, we are adwuma titu bi. Ana afempo na wo ba be biribi. Ne ekoso wo adwuma ni mo ho suro. But as a child of God, I beseech you today that seek the face of God to go with you in all that things you do. Our reina uramuno. And some bebre. And so if the face of God should go with you, I tell you, all will be well. All will be fine. Everything to anyone show. Everything home about. Everything Emma Unu Yansa. Everything Emma Ununa na mwese utu wenenim. Na se utu sana monwa. Se de ese tu sana monwa. Onfa nenim adom no ntoso. Ababi a odo na besi bia no. Onfa eho emma. O Yesu Kristo di mu. Amen. Erade nhyira wo. Se enenso so watie asempa etise yie. Tie me de dom wa eye Erade anim adom. Na de mdigya wa eye Erade nkunimdie. O Yesu Kristo di mu ebiem. Jemeso amen. Empire bo no ajemes media deria obi ntumeme. It turns out for us a first and last Friday of every month. Yeah, fire night, watch night. First and last Friday of every month. Yeah, the uja anado. Eshesheso. Eman sencheni akese na esi. O friend number na me di kan de ma ono 0240186379. Obeto abeka ho. Nipa fire chichi ni benche na yeba. Onso so fa ho bra be hyem bi. Na oje anya wodia. Metaka se ka etu okro no. Ene ye bo ho. Enye di esi wo. E say Bible fie ene the talk of town. It won so fa ho hyem bi. Na Erade nya ho nsenkyere ne. Na Erade wo sra e wo me so no. Obefa so e de aboa wo. Na wa yi nhyira. O Yesu Kristo dim. Eton sa frɛ wo ne obi bia. Afei so me YouTube channel Mpaibo Fie TV - Evangelist Abraham Amoaten. So wo ko ma subscribe. Se na be ya me bibi to wo ma onsa be ka ne ntem. Na recommend so ma amanfo ene afoforo nyina. No mo a ma Erade adwuma nya nkoso. Se wa asampa wote ka wakoma so be boa ya onyame adwuma mu a. Number ne 0240 no 186379 Evangelist Abraham Amoaten. E me din ne beba Abraham Amoaten. Na wonso de be acknowledge you abompa ye di ama wo. Erade nhyira wo. Se obeyesa. Wo Yesu Kristo di mu. Amen.